and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini Lego steam train. Well, if you want to know exactly what steam train it is, it's a Lego, no, not a Lego, it's a big boy steam locomotive. Yeah, in the Lego version, in a mini version. Yeah. Oh well, I should throw this thing out that I was holding. It's out of here now. So, let's begin doing the cockpit. Take a 1x1 brick with the overhanging thingy, and take a brick with the stud on the side and put them together like that, and take a 1x2 tile, put it on the top. There we go, that's your cockpit. Now, let's do the boiler. Assembly, go out of here. Now the boiler takes 6 1x1 studs, any color you want. It doesn't matter. Well, actually, I'm not trying to be mean, but those look like, actually, bird poop. They actually kind of look like bird poop. Whatever. So, put them together. So when you're finished with it, you should have something like this. Great, now it looks like a corn that I just finished eating this breakfast. Whatever. And now for the funnel, take one of these clips and put it right there for the funnel. And take one of these 1x1 cone pieces, whatever they're called, one of these cone bricks, whatever, and put it in the front like that. So it looks just like this. Okay, so this is gonna be going to the assembly. Yep, it's gonna go into the assembly. Now we're gonna make the wheels, which is the last part of it, and take this piece and put a T-slope in the front, like this. Now take one of these round tiles, 1x1, and put it right there. Now take a joystick for the rods, and you can put it in the front like that, and then just put this thing down. Easy. Okay, then I'm going to do the other side. We're doing the same exact thing on the other side. Right there. Like that. Attach another one of these things. Right there. And take one of these. And do the same exact thing we did for the first one. So, there's this thing that's unique about the Union Pacific big boy steam locomotive, is that it has 2 sets of wheels and rods. Yep, it's crazy. But it's the final piece. Oh, it's the final countdown. Whatever, it's a song. And then, let's position it correctly. We're done. Oh no, we need to do the assembly, girl, up the Kalata River. Assembly. Okay, let's go. Let's do the assembly. So assembly is easy. Put the boiler and the cab together. It'll be like this. Something like this. And take this thing. Okay, there's something I want to point out here. Put this part, not this part on the very end. Right there. Just like that. So, there we go. We got this cute mini Lego big boy steam locomotive. Yeah, big boy steam locomotive. And the best thing, you gotta watch it. It can go through the mini sign. Oh no, it's stuck. it's stuck. What do I do? That was my big mistake. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and I will be making more videos. And thanks for watching. And subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. And subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. I said that triple times. And I'm gonna do what I always do. Okay, I'm gonna put you to the side so you don't get injured. Just like, oh my gosh, he toppled over. Oh my gosh, Big Monster, where are you? Bye for now.